How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm making another tool review on another Hart kit. This is the 3/8 set. I've had this for a bit now, and obviously as you can see the wear on the box, I use it quite a bit. This is basically the kit I use when I do brakes, oil changes, anything simple like that, pretty much. This is what I usually go get. So with the ratchet, which I think it's a 72 tooth count on this one. I'm not positive. Just a regular, handheld ratchet. Nothing special about it. Quick release. Thing works pretty smooth to go reverse and forward. Has the engraving of their brand right there, Hart, and fits into pretty good. Just like the 1/4 inch, even though I have used it for a bit, some of these sockets do still are hard to come out because obviously you don't use every single size. But as you see, just taking them out now because I've used it for a bit, they actually come out pretty decent now after using it for a bit. Now it goes from, was it 7 to 19, which is right here in metric, and from 1/4 inch to 7/8 in standard, and they're all shallow 6-point sockets. Now what I did do to this, I took this casing off, cut the back of it, see right there, those tabs, so I can fit extensions in the back. So I wouldn't have to put the extension here, because once you put the extensions in here like this, and you put this back on with the ratchet, this case doesn't want to close. But since I don't want to have to carry extensions separately in this kit, for this kit, I basically just cut the tabs right there, and that's where they lay at. And all you need is a flathead to open it, or you can pinch, probably open the case like that with your fingers, and then you can just pull the cover off. It's pretty simple to do. Let's see. Too far. Oh, that's right. I forgot I did this too. So I cut these tabs in the bottom for the 6-inch, and then I cut the tab up here for the 3-inch extension. That's why it's not closing. I forgot I did that. There you go, and it's in. And I don't know if you can hear it. You can hear a little shaking, but yeah. If this video was good, if you like this video, please subscribe and like the video, and thanks for watching.